morning leaves a construction worker in the hospital and police on an active manhunt. NBC 15's Brittany McDonald with details.
This has been a nice, quiet neighborhood.
But it wasn't quiet on Merrill Crest this morning, with neighbors saying they heard shouts coming from outside.
Oh yeah, I knew something was bad.
A driver speeding down the street crashed at the bottom of the hill, rolling his car.
The other drivers went tearing down the street.
The driver was leading police on a chase that lasted just a few blocks after they tried pulling him over on South Whitney Way for going 18 miles over the limit.
We had someone who did not stop.
Merrill Crest is a narrow road and under construction.
It's been hard for people to get around here.
While speeding down it, he hit a construction worker, sending him flying into freshly poured asphalt.
The speed they went down through here, it's no wonder that they hit somebody.
The construction site manager said the worker's jaw and arm were broken and his face and back burnt. He's now in the hospital, but the driver still nowhere to be found, hopping out of the car and taking off.
We then engaged in a manhunt in that area.
Police later determined the driver's car was stolen.
I'm scared to get out of the house. It'd be that crazy. I hope it never happens in this neighborhood again. But who knows for the way things are today.
In Madison, Brittany McDonald, NBC 15 News.